Here we are reacting a strong acid with a strong base. What that means effectively is that we're reacting H3O plus, because our strong acid reacts completely with water, with hydroxide. So we can write our balanced chemical equation as H3O plus hydroxide gives us 2 waters. Our BCA table is that we have 4 millimoles of our strong acid, 2 millimoles of our strong base initially. Water is a pure liquid, so we don't care. All of the strong base is going to react and consumes 2 millimoles of the strong acid. We no longer have any strong base, but we have some strong acid remaining in solution. All we have in solution is a strong acid, so we can calculate our pH as the negative log of the H3O plus ion concentration remaining.